Hi, in this video I will be showing you problem number 17 of practice exam 1, which covers chapter 1, 2 and 3. Consider the line y equal to negative 5x plus 9. A. Find the equation of the line that is parallel to the line and passes through the point 7, negative 3. Part B. Find the equation of the line that is perpendicular to the line and passes through the point 7, negative 3. First, we notice that the equation y equal to negative 5x plus 9 is in the form of slope-intercept, y equal to mx plus b form. So, negative 5 is the coefficient of x, is the slope of the line, and 9 is the y-intercept of the line. So, the given line has a slope of negative 5. In part A, we are asked to find out the equation of the line that is parallel to the given line that passes through a point. Two lines are parallel if their slopes are equal. In part B, find the equation of the line that is perpendicular to the line and passing through a point. So two lines are perpendicular if one slope is negative reciprocal of the other. So first part, as the equation is parallel to the given line, so the required line has a slope which is the same as the slope of the given line, which is negative 5. And it passes through the point 7, negative 3. So we will use the point slope form, y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1, where x1, y1 is the point through which the line passes. So y minus y1, which is negative 3, m, which is negative 5, times x minus x1, which is 7. So the equation that is parallel, be y negative negative, that makes it positive, equal to, now if you distribute, it becomes negative 5x plus 35. If you move the 3 to the other side, y equal to negative 5x plus 35 minus 3. So it is negative 5x plus 32. So equation of the line parallel to the given line that passes through 7, negative 3 is negative 5x, y equal to negative 5x plus 32. Part B, here the slope is the negative reciprocal of the given one. As the given one has a slope of negative 5, it can be considered as negative 5 over 1. So negative reciprocal of that would be 1 over 5. So equation of the line perpendicular to the given line, perpendicular that passes through (7, negative 3) is again y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1, where x1, y1 is the point 7, negative 3, and m is the slope. Slope is actually 1 over 5. So y minus y1, which is negative 3, m, which is 1/5, x minus x1, x1 is 7. If we simplify, negative negative makes it positive, y plus 3. When you distribute, that will be 1/5 of x, and that will be 1/5 times negative 7, it's negative 7 over 5. Then you have to move the 3 to the other side in order to isolate the y. So it is 1/5 of x, negative 7 over 5. Positive 3 on the left hand side would become negative 3 on the right hand side. Be careful when you simplify these. So make the two numbers look like fractions. So 3 should be written like a fraction, so throw a 1 below. So you'll have to simplify this, numbers here. So the LCD would be 5. So you would get y equal to 1/5 of x. Here it is -7, -15 divided by the same number 5. So y equal to 1/5 of x minus 22 over 5. Hope this video helps.